Hey, hi guys, Techalyzer here. Just figured I could get this on video. Bought myself a Christmas tree today. Problem is, the bastards at the stores are taking advantage by the fact that it's a few days until Christmas and people go nuts, buying trees and accessories, and the tree stand is a couple of times more expensive than the tree itself. In dollars, that would be about around $40, something like that, and the tree was like 20. So yeah. So I came up with a plan. It's a smaller tree, it's not the kind of that is the full height of the room. So I took a couple of these threaded bars and I'm just putting them through the tree. I have no idea how this will actually work, but at least theoretically it should be fun. Putting 3 of these at equal distances so I can spread the weight evenly. I have some of these long tying knots. I'm just putting on the end of the bars to act as feet, and let's roll with it. Slice the bar in 3 parts with my angle grinder, drilling holes into the tree and then screwing this in with this, screw the bars in with the wrench. There we go. It takes a little force, and like so. The entrance needs to be enlarged a bit. Go out to catch properly. Just a few threads and then with the key, with the wrench. Sorry, the word for wrench in my language is key. It's the same as door keys. So sometimes I mix them up. And that's more than enough. Okay. Let's put the end piece on and see what I did. Nah. It falls over. I think I must add one more. Okay, so I forgot to start filming again. I added 3 more pieces because I figured it isn't enough. I thought when I was at the store that I should get the 10mm version. It was the next thickness, these are 8. But I figured they won't be strong enough, and they're not. But let's see what 6 of them will do. Well, obviously 6 is better. And I have the feeling will be better when I take the net off, because there's this protection net. The tree is wrapped. I think the weight will be distributed more evenly with the tree unwrapped, but we'll see. I have to take it in the corner where I want it to be placed, and I'll unwrap it and see the results. Okay, I unwrapped the tree. It works. Barely. Well, it has 6 bars stuck to it, so it won't go anywhere, but it's flimsy, you know. The weight of the tree is enough to bend these, so if you were to trip on it, say, or kind of lean onto it, it will most definitely fall. But in a corner like this, it's perfect. And I gotta say, it's the fluffiest little tree I ever had. It's a dense mofo. Now all that I got left to do is to decorate it, and look at that. Look at that. Damn, what you doing, boy? Nasty guy. Get that out of your mouth. I don't know why it's so dark. There. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. And that's what you do when you don't have a tree stand. It doesn't have this top bit here, but I'll figure something out. Maybe just put another screw in there. I'm screwing this tree so bad. Okay, guess it's time to decorate the Christmas tree. It's not Christmas Eve yet. I usually do this on the 24th of December, but what the heck. We need something to cheer up the house. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.